Good morning, everyone. I hope you all have had a wonderful breakfast today. You all got a good night's sleep. Let's get started with our good morning song. We need two hands and two fingers. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Thank you for joining me, friends. Let's look at our calendar. Miss Sarah already started filling it in on accident. So let's look at this. Yesterday was Monday, and we had the number 8, and it was purple. So let's think. If yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And yesterday I had the number 8. What number comes next? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have the number 9. And then let's look at the pattern. You can already see that Miss Sarah has filled it in because our pattern is green, purple, purple. So let's look at our pattern so far for the month. Green, purple, purple. Green, purple, purple. Green, purple, purple. Awesome. Let's say the date, my friends. Today is Tuesday, June 9, 2020. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. All day long. Ooh, all day long. Ooh, yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Very good, you guys. Thanks for joining me. So today's activities that we are going to do is you're going to go around your house and you're going to find objects that start with the Z sound. We have the V sound and the W sound. Then for math today, we're going to practice counting to 30. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. If you want to count to 30 with Miss Sarah, you can look at my math video from yesterday, and I counted with numbers 21 to 30, and you can go back and look at all of those math videos. Science and social studies, I have a video on the lesson plan about basic school rules. As you know, we haven't been in the school building. It's going to be a big transition if we go back, so it's important that we keep reminding them about school rules. Recess, I posted a video about taking some time, rainbow breaths, relaxing. Social emotional, we're really going to keep on with these things. House job, keep your child accountable in the house. We keep your child accountable at school. They have to clean up when the timer goes off. They clean up their meals at lunch and breakfast. They're given jobs at school, so we want to make sure that we're keeping that accountability. Even if it's a simple job with turning on and off the lights, maybe it's they have to clean up the bath or put their toothbrush away when they're done. So make sure you're keeping up with that. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please reach out to me or Miss Lily, and we'd be happy to help you with the resources we have. Have a great Tuesday, everyone.